In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubstaff to Monday.com. To get started, open Hubstaff and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before you begin. This helps avoid connecting the integration to the wrong account and makes the setup process smoother from the start. Once you're inside Hubstaff, go to the settings area. This is where you'll find the options for managing your workspace, preferences, and any third-party tools you want to connect. After that, click on Integration. The Integration section is where Hubstaff lists the apps and platforms that can work alongside your account. In the search area, type in Monday.com. This will quickly filter the available integrations so you can find the correct one without scrolling through the full list. When you see Monday.com appear, click on Connect. This begins the process of linking the two platforms together. Next, click on the app installation page. This will take you to the page where the Monday.com app connection is set up. On that page, click the Install button. Installing the app gives Monday.com permission to work with Hubstaff so the two services can communicate properly. From here, continue linking your Monday account with Hubstaff. At this stage, you may be redirected between the two platforms as the connection is being authorized. This is normal, so just follow the process carefully and make sure you're approving the correct account and workspace during setup. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through the rest of the connection process, including any permissions or confirmation screens that may appear. Read each screen carefully before continuing, especially if you manage multiple accounts or teams, so you connect the right setup the first time. Once everything is completed, the integration should be active and ready to use. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. In some cases, logging out and back in can also help the integration display correctly. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of connecting Hubstaff to Monday.com. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general approach for other integrations inside Hubstaff as well, since many of them follow a similar setup flow.